Cutting onions for the pasta sauce. I've already cut half of them. Getting ready to caramelize these guys. Judy requested a meat sauce. And today my goal is to make a huge batch, put some in the fridge, freeze some, and then use some for potential lasagna tonight. We'll see if I have enough time. I'm gonna do my best, but yeah. I've got my whole setup here. I'm gonna caramelize the onions, then I'm gonna move it over to the control freak. Then I'm gonna brown all the meat, get it all going so that it can just simmer. That goes to a very low temperature. And just leave it all day while we go out. We're gonna go play soccer at the field. I'm gonna probably try to get a good workout in, maybe in the garage. Judy's gonna probably decorate, maybe. We'll see. I'm gonna at least get the tree in. It's a busy day, but this is what I do on Sundays. Sauce day. Oh man. Want what? Mango? Bombs away.
Was that like the restaurant one you got? Is that the same thing?
Alright, so this weekend we are not running. We're playing some soccer. Juliana wants to practice her skills. So Daddy's gonna have to show her what's up. You'll be goalie? Okay. Alright, I like that. Alright, so just got done with that sauce. Took a long time because I'm making double. Maybe a little bit more than double the amount. I'm using that huge stock pot. It's gonna sit all day. It'll be ready for tonight's dinner. And then I'll have a whole nother batch that I can freeze for when we want that. In fact, there's enough for lasagna tonight, red sauce later in the week, and then a whole nother batch for a few weeks, few months out. We just pop it out of the freezer, so. Whoa!
I win. Get a point.
All right, go way back there, Mia. There you go. Go way back there, Mia. Go, 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 go. I'm good. Kicking it to you. Get this up. Come on. Remember when you do the lasagna, you do barely one little overlap.
Why are you doing this on yourself?
It's just how I feel right now.
Okay.
I like to try different things sometimes.
Anything?
Mm-hmm.
The side.
And it spreads it. Rather than moving your hand like back and forth like that, you move your arm. Okay?
And it separates it?
And it separates it. Exactly, so there's no clumps. Alright, start on the other side now. What do you think? One more layer of pasta?
Yeah.
This one's going to be a really thick one.
After the cheese glad sauce and then
Mhm.
just more cheese. Daddy's putting Parmesan and then he's gonna cut it. The broccoli.
But I'm going to leave it on there for a hot second.
Yeah.
Because it'll stay warm on this pan.
Because it's really hot? Or you want it to melt?
I want it to, well, yeah,
Kinda.
one, I want it to melt, but I also want it to stay warm until
Okay.
we're ready to eat.
Yeah. Want to say hi?
Hi.
I need.
Oh, I'm so hungry. No, Kira's coming. Wait, Kira's not gonna eat. We're all gonna go to sleep. No.
Can you scoop one out for the girls?
Guys, sit down. I'll give it to you.
Oh, okay.
Mommy, can I
Get the
sit
plate.
with them?
Get the plate for mommy.
Bella?
Yeah. Is it thumbs up? Oh, it is thumbs up, huh? Hopefully you enjoyed my Sunday sauce. It's one of the girls' favorites, especially when I use it for lasagna, and then you can put it in the freezer. Hit that like button and comment below what other food vlogs you want to see. Is there something that's trending, something that maybe I'm not seeing on YouTube that you want to see on this channel? I want to know, and I'm doing these 30 food vlogs in 30 days. So hit me up and see you later.